everything was fine. We used to play with each other. I would like her pictures and she would like mine. We would joke and laugh together. I even thought for 1 minute I could probably hit it. But then, over the weekend, everything changed. And I noticed she blocked me. She blocked me. I didn't do anything. I was just being my same old self. I don't know what happened. And then when I asked her about it, you think she would give me the satisfaction of just confessing that she blocked me? But she told me she didn't block me.